Hello everyone, welcome back to Stylish Design. This video is about the latest soul scarves for hijab girls. To those who are looking up for trending ideas, here is the video for you. Before we move further, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click onto the notification bell so whenever I'll upload a new video, you will be notified. And also, I would like to introduce to you my Instagram page, my Twitter ID. I'm also on Pinterest. Links to all of them are in the description box below. You can follow me there. And I'm really thankful to those viewers who have subscribed my channel and shared it with their friends and family. And guys, look at the beautiful tassels on the stole, and look at this pom-pom one. It's really pretty one. And this beautiful blue and yellow and black and white with beautiful patterns on it. This embroidered yellow flowers. And look at this pretty one. Every single one of them is beautiful. Whichever you want, I can even share the link to you guys if you want. Comment down below. And look at this white and black. It's amazing. Look at this beautiful pom-pom one across all the borderlines. And look at this blue and gray one. And this goes really well with all hijab outfits and on different abaya as well. It would look really great. Look at these beautiful cotton ones with different beautiful colors and multicolor shawl, different beautiful. Everyone's of them is really beautiful. Look at this glitter shimmer one and this pom-pom idea with the gray one, and it's beautiful. Look at this floral design with tassels at the bottom. These ideas are really trending and latest, so to those who are looking up for beautiful stole ideas, here is for you all. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, share this video as much as you can with your friends and family, and guys, stay tuned for the upcoming. That was it for today's video. I'll be up with next. Until then, bye. Thanks for watching.